Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to secure your Gmail messages. So let's go to the Gmail messages first, or the Gmail first. Then you have to click on this compose to create a mail. Then you have to put here the email address. Now add any subject here. Now you can add your messages here. Now if you want to secure these messages, you have to click on this lock icon, this one, toggle the confidential mode. You have to click on this. Then you can set the expire date, which is 1 week, 1 day, 1 month, 3 month, 5 years. You can choose the expire day. I mean, after this day your message will be expired and be deleted. Okay, so I'm choosing 1 week. Now here you can see the no SMS passcode or SMS passcode. If you click on SMS passcode, you have to click on save. Then you'll find an SMS to verification this mail. Okay, click on save. Now click on send, and you have to now put here the number. After putting here the number, you have to click on send, and in that guy whom you send, he have to enter the same number again to secure this uh, Gmail or mail, or open this mail. Okay, so without giving the number he cannot open this mail. So this is secure email, how it's look like. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.